This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment and educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See that I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. I'm going to give us a false narrative of the market. We can make bad trading decisions. Listen, the banks are in deep trouble. And every single day there's another story that shows that their liquidity is drying up, and they try to hold on to as much cash as possible because they do not have cash on hand to meet those minimum capital requirements. And when the new capital requirements go into effect, we're going to see some banks fall. That is just my opinion. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any bank stock. I'm not telling you to use a bank or not use a bank. I'm just telling you that based on everything I'm seeing, based on these stories that come out every other day, these banks are having serious liquidity crisis. And now JPMorgan Chase freezes a customer's account after she deposited a government check from a student loan reimbursement. Okay, and after she gave them proof that the check was real, that it was hers, that it came from the government, they froze her out of her account and refused to return the money. This is absolutely crazy. We're talking about a government check from a person who's been a customer of yours for years, and they're going to allege that they thought the check was stolen. And even after she provided proof that the check wasn't stolen, her account was still held frozen. And not only the amount of the check that she deposited, but the other money she had in that account was frozen also, unable to pay her bills. Let me tell you guys something. The banks are in trouble, and they will use every trick in the book to hold on to your money as long as possible. That's really the bottom line. I don't see any other explanation for what the banks are doing now. And this isn't an isolated incident that's isolated to JPMorgan Chase. This is happening in all the banks. They are finding small, tiny errors to hold on to your money, to freeze your account, to put you in financial peril. And the reason why? They are in financial peril. The banks are in financial peril, and they need as much liquidity as possible. So if they can figure out a way to hold on to your cash, to freeze your account, more than likely, that's what they're going to do. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that it was a mistake that JPMorgan Chase froze this lady's account after she deposited a government check from a student loan reimbursement? Or is JPMorgan Chase having liquidity issues? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.